The pharmaceutical industry is a global giant. It rakes in hundreds of billions of dollars every year. This financial behemoth plays a powerful role in our healthcare system. Its influence reaches from research labs to doctors' offices. With such vast resources, the industry wields considerable influence. This raises important questions about its impact on our health and well-being. The sheer scale of the pharmaceutical industry is staggering. Its profits dwarf those of most other industries. This financial dominance gives it significant lobbying power. It also raises concerns about whether profit motives overshadow patient needs. The industry's financial success is undeniable. However, we must scrutinize the impact of its practices on our health outcomes. The pharmaceutical industry thrives on repeat customers, creating a cycle of dependency. Chronic conditions, like diabetes and high blood pressure, provide a steady stream of revenue for these companies. These conditions often require lifelong medication, ensuring continuous demand. This translates into long-term profits for pharmaceutical companies, making them highly lucrative. The focus on managing these conditions, rather than curing them, raises ethical concerns. Are we simply masking symptoms instead of addressing the root causes of these illnesses? The development of medications for chronic conditions is a complex issue involving extensive research and resources. While these drugs improve quality of life for many, they also significantly fuel the industry's bottom line. This raises questions about whether enough emphasis is placed on preventative measures and lifestyle changes that could reduce dependency on medication. Addressing the underlying causes of chronic illness should be a priority for the healthcare system. This requires a shift in focus from symptom management to disease prevention and cure, promoting overall well-being. The pharmaceutical industry invests heavily in marketing. In fact, it spends far more on marketing than on research and development. This raises red flags about its priorities. Drug companies pour money into advertising directly to consumers. They also court doctors with gifts and incentives. This aggressive marketing can influence prescribing habits. The disparity between marketing and research spending raises ethical questions. Is the industry more focused on selling products than on developing truly innovative treatments? While marketing plays a role in disseminating information, excessive spending in this area is concerning. A greater emphasis on research and development could lead to breakthroughs in disease prevention and cures. Direct-to-consumer advertising, or DTCA, is a powerful tool used by pharmaceutical companies to reach potential customers directly. In the United States, it's one of the few countries where DTCA is legal, allowing pharmaceutical companies to market their products directly to consumers. This type of advertising bombards consumers with messages about various health conditions and their corresponding medications, often through TV, magazines, and online platforms. While it aims to educate the public about available treatments, critics argue that it also fuels anxiety and promotes the over-medicalization of everyday life, making people worry unnecessarily about their health. DTCA can influence patients to request specific drugs from their doctors, even if those drugs may not be the most suitable option for their condition. This puts pressure on physicians, who may feel compelled to prescribe medications despite having reservations about their necessity or appropriateness. While patients should be informed about treatment options, DTCA can create a skewed perception of health and illness, leading to misconceptions about what is normal and what requires medical intervention. This can lead to unnecessary prescriptions and contribute to rising healthcare costs, burdening both individuals and the healthcare system as a whole. Section 5. The Doctor-Pharma Nexus. A relationship under scrutiny. The relationship between doctors and pharmaceutical companies is complex and multifaceted, involving both collaboration and potential conflicts. Drug companies provide doctors with valuable information about new medications and treatments, which can be crucial for patient care. However, they also use various tactics to influence prescribing practices, which can sometimes be subtle or overt. These tactics include sponsoring medical conferences, offering gifts, and funding research projects, which can sway medical opinions. This close relationship raises concerns about conflicts of interest, potentially affecting the impartiality of medical decisions. Doctors play a crucial role in our healthcare system, making decisions that directly impact patient health and well-being. Their judgment should be based on scientific evidence and the best interests of their patients, free from external pressures. The influence of pharmaceutical companies can create a conflict of interest, leading to biased prescribing practices. This can potentially compromise patient care, leading to treatments that may not be in the best interest of the patient. Transparency and ethical guidelines are crucial to ensure that medical decisions are driven by patient needs, not profit motives, maintaining trust in the healthcare system. Section 6. Ethical concerns, profit versus patient well-being. The pharmaceutical industry's focus on profit maximization raises ethical concerns. When financial gain takes precedence over patient well-being, trust in the healthcare system erodes. The industry's influence on research, marketing, and doctor-patient relationships demands scrutiny. We need to ensure that patients are not being oversold on medications or treatments they don't truly need. The pursuit of profit should not come at the expense of ethical medical practices. The health and well-being of patients must be the paramount concern. This requires greater transparency in the relationship between the pharmaceutical industry and healthcare providers. It also demands increased public awareness about the potential conflicts of interest that exist within the system. Section 7. Prevention over pills, taking charge of your health. In a world inundated with pharmaceutical solutions, it's easy to forget the power of prevention. Simple lifestyle changes can have a profound impact on our health. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress are crucial for preventing chronic diseases. These lifestyle modifications empower individuals to take control of their health. While medications play a vital role in managing certain conditions, they should not be the first line of defense. Focusing on preventative measures empowers individuals to lead healthier lives. This proactive approach not only improves individual well-being, but also reduces the burden on the healthcare system. It's about making informed choices that prioritize long-term health over quick fixes. Section 8. The importance of informed consent. Asking the right questions. Navigating the healthcare system requires active participation. Patients should feel empowered to ask questions about their treatment options. This includes understanding the potential benefits and risks of any medication or procedure. Informed consent means being an active participant in your healthcare decisions. It means understanding the potential consequences of each choice. Don't be afraid to ask your doctor why a particular medication is being prescribed. Inquire about potential side effects and alternative treatment options. Remember, you have the right to be fully informed about your health. Taking an active role in your healthcare empowers you to make the choices that align with your values and priorities. Section 9. Beyond medications, exploring alternative approaches. Western medicine often focuses on treating symptoms with pharmaceuticals. However, other approaches to healthcare exist. These include traditional medicine practices such as acupuncture and herbal remedies. Additionally, mind-body techniques like yoga and meditation can complement conventional treatments. Exploring these options can provide a holistic approach to well-being. It's crucial to remember that healthcare is not one size fits all. What works for one person may not work for another. Exploring alternative approaches can offer a more personalized and holistic approach to health and wellness. These methods often focus on treating the whole person, not just the symptoms. Section 10. A call to action, navigating healthcare wisely. We must approach the pharmaceutical industry and its influence on healthcare with a critical eye. While medications play a crucial role in treating illnesses, we must be mindful of the potential for over-medicalization. By prioritizing prevention, seeking informed consent, and exploring alternative approaches, we can navigate the healthcare system more effectively. We can make choices that prioritize our long-term health and well-being. Ultimately, our health is our responsibility. By being informed, engaged, and proactive, we can make choices that empower us to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health.